I'm working on some new blocks, and I'm going to do a tutorial on the lotus, which is well overdue. And I've been doing some gardening, which I haven't done for quite some time, because I've probably mentioned it before that I have this bug, this chronic fatigue from, I was bitten by a mosquito a few years ago and got Ross River fever. And it's left a bit of an impact. Something had to go. It was either quilting or gardening, and quilting won over. I stuck with quilting. But I'm back to doing a bit of gardening now, which is great. I don't think the COVID vaccine we had here was very good either. I'm not an anti-vax person at all. I've had one for shingles and various things, but I think it was put together too quickly, and it's left me feeling a bit fatigued. But I think I'm getting over it now, and I can do both gardening and quilting, which I think will be wonderful. But anyway, I'm working on a couple of things, and looking forward to getting some results of both the garden and the quilting. Well, I'm working on my next block. I don't know what it'll be. I love the colours. It's Timu fabric, which is not the greatest, but it's okay. So this is how far I've got with a bunch of geese. Plus, I'm going to do the tutorial for the lotus. I've got all the pieces ready to go. So maybe tomorrow I'll start that, see how it goes. I took some pictures today around the garden, some video around the garden as I was looking to see how things were growing. We have very mild winters here, and so I've been able to put bulbs and things in early, and they're coming up. One shows some daffodils that are flowering already, and it's still August is the last month of winter, so they're a little bit cheeky doing that, but August is the last month of winter, and I've been doing some planting. I put all sorts of seeds in, little hyacinths. They smell wonderful. I put the seeds in, and I'm not really sure what I put in. I don't keep the containers packets, so that could be interesting. I think that's a tomato that came up on its own. This is the native grevillea. The birds absolutely love it because the flowers are full of nectar. I've never had to worry about this section. This is the jungle section. It just gets on with it, which I love. I like monstera and yuccas. The frangipani will be out soon. It's starting to get little buds now, which is great. Beautiful smell. I put it outside the sewing room window so it wafts in, which is very nice. This is my pineapple. I took it off the top of a pineapple about 25 years ago. And it's been happily growing. It's never going to have fruit here. It's too mild here. We need to go further up north in the tropics for that. Daphne about to flower, and gardenia. It's only a small gardenia. It's never grown much, but it has 1 or 2 flowers each year. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. It's on now with the next thing, which is my new block.